Hey guys, hi. Good news, happy Saturday. There's a few in southbound coming in Richmond, and I just don't know if it's a long one or short one. I have to find out, okay? But you see it? But the signal up there is green red. And that in here, and there's the train coming right there. Yeah, it's coming. I think it's a long one. It's a big engine.
What?
It's not the same engine from last night. It's different. It had to be mixed brake. When it gets close, I can make a video. Awesome, guys. This is train number 2. It's the CN southbound.
Where is it?
No, I see him. He's right there. There's a lot of things blocking it. Right there. Hold on.
Sorry.
Hi, Grandma. I think it's real long. Let me see. Yeah, guys. Guess what? It's a long one. It's a long one. It's long. Here it comes. Are you making a video now?
Yeah.
Right now?
I'm not making it yet.
Those people better get off the tracks.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's long. It's real long. Here it comes, guys. I think just one. Oh no, it's got 2 engines. I can't tell.
Does it?
Here it comes. It goes straight. I'm gonna walk over here. Here it comes, guys. Come on. Two engines, it's long. Long one, here it comes. Here it comes, guys. Bye.